Hello, it's me, Sonic Boom, and today we're gonna play some Rocket League Season 12. So I already started anyways. So let's get sidekicks in. All right. And also, this one is sponsored by Voice Changer because voice voice changer is actually the goodest amount of voice that you may want. Like example like Fleetway in like existence, like if you want to make your fleet look like that, yeah, you just had to, you just had to do regular voice, like, no, wait, no, you had to do like fleetway voice like regular, and then if you finish with that, then and then if you want your fleetway voice, just press any voice changer in it, and then it combines to that one, and people will like it as a YouTube um, message, your friends, all of that stuff. So yeah, and I barely lost on that one because I wasn't paying attention because I was telling y'all to sponsor by VR, not VR chat, VR, not God, why I saying VR? I mean voice changer. Yes, voice changer. Voice changer is the goodest thing about goodest. Good as a sidekick amount. So yeah, let's get dash to it. Here at Aquarium Existence by daytime. I don't know what daytime is, but daytime is like a sun. Now it was like on the morning to afternoon. So yeah, that's good with that. But we're gonna keep this straight. Keep this straight. Keep them nice and moving on this thing. Don't tell the guys this. I don't know why, but gotta, I don't know why, but I gotta go fashion speeding addiction to make a low dry speed addiction. But if I answer to this one, then sponsor. Ooh, nice goal. That's a nice goal right there. That's a nice shot. That's like a really nice shot right there. I just give it to him, and then that person just kicked it, and then the orange team just kicked it by itself. So I mean that's like an own goal to them. Seems like they have a struggle there. Oh snap! Oh snap! But if you want to hear the corrupted version of Sonic Boom of me, then you must like this Sonic Boom before you want to hear the corrupted one of the Rocket League one. I don't even know why I did that there, but that's kind of a horrible thing I did. Uh, I was so close to getting that. Wait, wait. Ah, never mind. He got it. Wait. I make a comeback. Ah, nope, not a comeback. Not a good comeback. Not a good one. Oh snap! No. I was so close to getting that. I was so close to getting that, but I didn't actually get that good amount. Where's the Sonic here? But we gotta go speed addiction. You want to get it hard away. You might even want to get the voice changer with me. but it doesn't seem like a voice changer of me. But it sounds like a medical diction to be like Metal Sonic. Am I right? I don't know why my language is by two of them of words I can't even say, but it's kind of struggle of my voice. Huh? Yeah, I'll stop. Again, as an Amy gang. Huh? Yeah, I'll stop. Why gotta be like swimming like a 5 year olds? It's gonna be like so hard since weakness of them. Oh crud! Another speeder ticket. If I have to do this, then I gotta go medical addiction. I gotta go fast and speed addiction on yours. Is that a whale back there? And also, I can't even swim. I don't want to swim. If I was swim, then I would like drowning like all those Sonic games that I could do. But it's so scary. I'm allergic to waters. Waters make me scary. Just like a vampire said. Wait, does vampires hate woods? Hmm. But I love chili dogs though. Mmm, chili dogs. Wait, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Oh god damn it. Well, I lost. That's such a good runner, but I definitely lost. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and dash to subscribe. See you guys later. Sonic Boom is out.